How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. If you've ever wanted to go back and rewatch something but couldn't remember where you saw it, keep watching. First, open the Facebook app on your phone, and once you've done that, simply tap on your profile, or you can go to the three horizontal lines and simply select settings and privacy. From there, go to settings. Next, scroll down and find activity settings. Now, if you can't find it, you can simply search for activity log as well. As you can see here, this is where all your Facebook activities are stored. Now, simply tap on Reels section. As you can see, videos watched. Here, these are all the videos that you've watched. And once you in your video section, you can simply filter it as well. You can choose the date from where you have watched the video, and that's it. That's how you can simply learn how to find your recently watched videos on Facebook. Now, if you want to delete all the watching history, simply tap on trash and select the video, or simply tap on the three dots and simply click on delete, and that's it. You've now learned all the steps you need to do to find your recently watched videos on Facebook.